What's up, y'all? Today we'll be installing some black door handles. Now these are just the covers for them. So they got tape on the back right there. You just take the tape off, clean this area, and you just stick it right on. I got all 4 of these from eBay. They were about $20. So here's all of them laid out. This one right here is for the front door. You can tell because it's got the keyhole. And then this one right here is for the passenger door, and then these 2 are for the back doors. Now that you know where to put them, let's go ahead and install them. As you can see, I'm using McGuire's to clean it. You actually want to use alcohol to clean the spot so the adhesive tape bonds better with the door handle, but really any cleaner will do the trick. So here's me lining it up. Now once you get it on there, you want to put pressure on it for about 10 to 15 seconds. This ensures that the adhesive will stick to the surface. So there it is. That's all there is to it. Just clean the spot, pull the tape, and stick it on there.